you have to choose your PPT, like my cyberspace, okay, 2025 cyberspace PPT. Okay, so that's the newest data set. Okay, so for your final project, let's do second review. Okay, second review for your analysis. Okay, let's change to the English version. Okay, English. If you cannot open like me, you can do this way. Okay, you can file, open the data. Okay, and go to the downloaded 下载. Okay, no, it's a long. How about we do this way? Because I need this one, right? So I can move it to the 下载. Okay, and in that way, let's check it again. All the file. Okay, right here. Opened it. Okay. So remember for your final project, okay, and the first analysis is called a frequency, okay, frequency. That's the second review, okay. Frequency is based on the balloon, okay, like the testing years, okay, and sex. We don't need a birth year. Birth year is a lot, okay, so we don't need this one. Area, okay. Grade, crime, family, your school type, okay. Father education, mother education, monthly income, future earning average salary, college, okay. And it's called a frequency, okay, frequency. So you got so many frequencies, okay, so you can open your PPT template, right, or slides go, okay, or slides go. So you can follow my pattern for week 11, okay, and remember that's the first analysis called the frequency, okay, frequency, okay. Second one called the descriptive, statistic and descriptives, okay. So choose the Likert type scale, most based on the A multiple intelligence items, okay. And remember options, you have to click on the proposes and skewness, okay, and that's a review, okay, especially the second review, okay. You cannot tell me you don't know how to do your final project, okay. Continue, okay, okay. So you got the descriptive statistic right here. Do you remember I copied it, right? Transfer to the Excel, right? Excel. You can type Excel here. Excel here, right? Okay, copy and paste, right? And also I make a translation right here, right? So you can take out the here, delete it, and delete it, okay? And we don't need this one, we don't need this one. And standard deviation, minimum, maximum, we don't need it, okay? And we don't need it. So congratulations, that's your second analysis called a descriptive, okay? And if it is your group, you have to save it like a Du Wenhai. You give a frequency and discrete statistic, right? And post it in your group. Otherwise, your final project have progress, okay? Have progress, okay? Otherwise, you have no progress, okay? And that's the second analysis. For third analysis, it's called the differences, right? So you can do this way, okay? And you can make the variable view. You can do the average right here for all the 10 A multiple intelligence, okay? It's right here, okay? So you can do this way. Analyze general linear model. You can do the univariate or multivariate, okay? Say we have an average for the, we don't need the total, okay? So kinesthetic, interpersonal, intrapersonal, is linguistic, logical, mathematical, music, nature, special, okay? And for fixed factor, you can choose like a country, okay? Not including the Vietnamese, okay? Where's the country area? Okay, so you choose the area, compare mean, okay? LSD. Do you remember which one I should click on this one? Descriptive statistic. I have a video content. Please review it, okay? And for post hoc area, okay? Chauffeur, right? Remember chauffeur, okay? Continue, okay? So you will get like 3 countries right here. So in that way, you can do like my second teacher demo, okay? So you can tell, okay? You can tell the differences between the 3 countries, okay? And for Taiwan is 840, China 65, Vietnamese is 31, okay? So if you want to check out the significant differences, you have to check out the post hoc, okay? Or the pairwise comparison. Okay, so you can see the differences right here. Okay, if they have a star, okay, they have a significance. Let me ask you a question, okay? This is mean differences, I minus j. So can someone tell me Vietnamese is greater than Taiwan or Taiwan greater than Vietnamese? Because this is a minus, so that means what? Vietnamese greater than Taiwan and the significance. On the bodily kinesthetic, it's about about physical, okay? And that's the interpersonal, it's the same thing. So Vietnamese is greater than Taiwan. So if you go back to our Moodle, okay? Where's Moodle? You check out the conference 2, okay? You open my Word file here. You can, although it is Chinese, right? You can use the Copilot to make a translation. You can see the results here, okay? The differences results here. It's called 国家文化差异. Okay, you click on the whole thing right here, okay? Use the Copilot, okay? And pass. You type translate. I'm a human, okay? You type translate, okay? Translate. They will translate the whole thing in Chinese, okay? So you will see the very clearly, okay? So it is already on your Moodle, okay? So for the differences, okay? Differences, this about the 3 country comparison. Is anyone can tell me which one is Vietnamese? It's this one, right? 越南, okay? 越南. So in interpersonal, okay? China greater than Taiwan, okay? And for spatial, China greater than Thailand greater than Vietnamese. Okay, maybe the wrong way. I'm not sure. Let's see. Based on the analysis you have, okay, so you have to click on here, copy, and let's make a paste. Okay, so special is right here. Okay, so if Taiwan minus Vietnamese is minus, that means what? Vietnamese greater than Taiwan. So I wrote the wrong way, right? So that should be this one. Okay, so I have to check the results, right? So actually, the Vietnamese is greatest, right? Based on the SPSS results right here. Okay, SPSS results right here. Okay, spatial is SP. Okay, so significance right here. Okay, and significance right here. Okay, understand? But I think depend on the dependent variable you choose. Okay, and this one I think is HI and the HI and the AI, which one is better? Okay, so let's third analysis right here, color differences. Okay, one way ANOVA. Okay, and the other is about the smart POS. Okay, so today let's go back to my demo. So please, if you got a smart POS result, please put in your group. Okay. For example, I put a smart POS results right here. Okay. So in that way, if I cannot use the smart POS, you can open the whole results right here. Okay. You get the picture, right? Remember that? Okay. And it's better to get the results right here, and the pass coefficient. Okay, you see the significance, right? So when you do the smart POS, you can save the whole thing, right? Whole thing under your group. Okay, under your group. So in that way, you can do your PPT. Okay. In that way, you can do your PPT. So let's check out the this one. Okay. So if you guys come later, you can follow the pattern right here. Okay. 29 pages here. Okay. This is a good pattern for your final project. Okay. I will do the presentation on this Saturday. Okay. So the good leader need to make arrangement for someone can do the factor analysis. Okay. Can do the small PLAs right here. Okay. Here. Okay. Here. And this is the result right here. The result right here. If you click on navigation, you will go to the quality criteria here. Okay, quality criteria here. Okay, any question? I make a video content here.